Get up. It's time to do farm chores. You like my slippers? Oh my God, I got pig shit on them. Can't put them on the counter. You're not finna catch me with no pig ass shit flippers. The fuck? Welcome to my incubator. This is all my new grandbabies that are coming soon to the farm. I got some fluffy babies in here. I got 18 new grandbabies coming very soon. So be prepared for all the bullshit that is to come. Ugh. Oh, I know you fucking lying. Let's take a banana to the pigs chance. Organic, because we ain't trying to get cancer. Oh, God, it's hot. What? I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, be with me, Lord. Be with me, Lord. Nope. It's hot as hell. Oh my God, what the fuck? Get up here. Pearl, get up here before I beat your ass. Come on, cheek, 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 cheek. I ain't got no drawers on. What the hell? Did you see that? That was a rat. Oh my God. I hate it here. Winnie, listen. What you do? Oh my goodness. You got flies. Let me get your fly spray, baby. Where's my fucking fly spray? Here it is. Found it. Oh my Lord. My coochie gonna fall out. I'm coming. Hell. Come here. I got you a treat. I got you a little treat. Ow, get off of my toe, bitch. Uh-oh. My God. Billy, you stink. Go on now with y'all stinking ass. I'm gonna beat your ass. Try to bite me. Stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna turn your little ass into damn bacon bits. Don't play with me. Okay. We working now. Get out from underneath my damn house coat. Here, Winnie. Don't be running away from me. I'll pop you in your damn mouth. I gotta get your little ears so you don't get flies all over you. Here, Winston, my little angel. Come here, baby. Come here, my baby. Y'all want a little treat? Winston, come here. Ow! Mother, get off of my damn toe. Come here, Winston. Sit. I know you understand me. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Thank you very much. That's a good boy. Here you go. Yes, I know. It's so yummy, huh? So yummy, huh? Here, Winnie. Oh, hungry ass. You a damn hungry hippo. Ow! Winnie? You keep on. Here, Winston, you can have all of that because you're special. And your sister's mean. You're mean, Winston. Winnie. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cuss you like that, baby. Here, Winnie. Winston, do you want to show America your tricks? Rub your belly. There. Yes. Just like a man. Yes. Just rub. Oh my God. Pitiful. Those eggs are not for you. Yo, fat ass. My God. I hate it here. It's fucking hot. Oh my Jesus. Why do I do this shit? I'm moving to Alaska and leaving all of y'all's asses here. Y'all ever drank out the water hose? Tastes like chlorine. You wanna see my chickens? We got Ruru. That's Phoebe over there. The black one that looks like a crow, that's Phoebe. Phoebe, Bam Bam's baby, that's her name. Mary Kate and Ashley. We got Pearl, Dolly Parton, Bree Henny Spears. We got Left Eye. Sister's over there in the barn. I don't know what she's doing. She's trying to cool off hell. It's 995 million damn degrees out here. Y'all want some water? Cool y'all down a little bit. There you go. Roro! Quit hunching on her. Get off of her. Quit hunching her. Motherfucker. Come here, babies. Are y'all hot? You gotta water your pigs. There you go. Water the babies. Winnie, why you always gotta rub your coochie in the mud? Winston. Look at him. These fucking flies keep on biting my asshole. Ow! You stupid bitch. Fucking hurt. Girl, shut your mouth. Oh, god damn. This is really fermented. I ferment my chicken feed, and I fermented a batch before I went on tour, and I forgot. I need to just throw this whole thing away. Oh, hell. Oh, that makes me want to throw it for real. There's another one. All right. Hi, sister. This is sister. This is Fluffy's sister. You may have seen on Instagram that my sweet Fluffy passed away, and she is the whole reason that these farm chore videos happened. She's the reason my comedy tours happened. You know, she is, now we're having a sweet moment. You're not gonna act like that. She's not as sweet as my angel girl Fluffy, but she's still a sweet girl. As you saw in the house, we got some Fluffy babies coming. So I'm excited, as sad and heartbreaking as it is to lose Fluffy. I'm excited to continue her legacy, and we've got some really cool things happening for Fluffy. We're expanding our clothing line, and we're gonna have a Forever Fluffy line. So I'm really excited about that. And y'all a badass. You bad. Let's ferment some chicken food. Everybody asks me what I feed my chickens, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Don't say nothing about my tack room. I ain't cleaned it. This is a working farm. Don't say shit to me. So take your feed. I personally use an organic, non-GMO, non-soy, non-corn feed for my chickens, because you know we're on our health and wellness journeys, and you just want to fill up a half-gallon bucket or a 5-gallon bucket, you know, like this. Bitch, I ain't good at math. We want to take our herbs. Now look, you got to season these bitches from the inside out, okay? So we got a little sage, a little dash of that. We got a damn. We got a little thyme, a little dash of that. If you don't know what all these do, then Google the shit. Oregano, this shit. If y'all don't know about oregano, this shit kills everything. A little dash of that, a little rosemary. I'm telling y'all, we seasoning these bitches from the inside out. Some cilantro. All of these are good for immune system for your chickens, respiratory health, digestive health. Then we're gonna take our poultry booster, add a little sprinkle of that. Yeah. We're gonna take our apple cider vinegar with the mother. If it ain't got the mother, then take that shit back. Then you're gonna take your spoon. But when a bitch wanna get smart, bitch, I'll beat your asshole. And we're gonna fill it up. You may wonder, how do you stay so fit and voluptuous? This is how. This is fucking how. Now, once you got your feed and all your seasonings, you just wanna fill it up. Take your ass beater. Beautiful. Too damn hot for this. Oh wait. Uh-oh. Wilkie. 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 You're doing too much. Wilkie. Don't fuck up my hair now. You cannot get on top of me. I'm sorry. I hate it here. When this thing get the thing in